Hi, my name is Sarah Anderson. I'm 6 years old and I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. Miss Jensen, I know I was supposed to bring Goldie back today. Well, me and my dad put his bowl on my desk in my room. And I fed him a pinch of food just like you should. And then I watched him swim around until I had to go to bed. Well, this morning I woke up and Goldie was gone from his bowl. I called my dad and he looked all over my room. And then he found a small piece of his tail. My cat Toby killed him and it's all my fault. I should have closed the door. I should have locked Toby out. I didn't mean for this to happen. I didn't mean for Goldie to die. Jensen, do you think Goldie went to heaven?